Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Partybox Essential, Encore Essential according to the box. Not obviously the JBL unboxings are never anything too special, but it's always nice just to know what you're expecting. And then obviously I'll be doing a review in another video with a proper sound test and everything like that. So we've got a relatively decent sized box here. Crack open the top, and we've got the speaker in the middle, polystyrene on either side, and obviously the box which will have our charging equipment in it. So once we've got that box out, it's got a little book here with the quick start guide and the manual in it, and then a just a standard 3-pin charger there. Obviously this is portable, has a battery, etc., but can be charged up with that. So now to pull the main event out. Okay, so now we've got this the speaker out in its little wrap. Just take it off the top here, and we already see the top of this with familiar buttons we're used to and a very nice looking handle. Oh, and once the speaker is fully out, we can really see the size of this thing. Obviously this is a very similar design to the Partybox 110 and 710 for that matter, just a bit smaller. We've got the normal thing at the back here for our pairing, aux in, power out, and we can use it for guitars and stuff like that. We've got our escape for the sub, and then a little waterproof port just for the charger. Got a nice size JBL logo on the front obviously, and then we've got a very nice handle up front, very nice, feels very sturdy, got a nice orange like rubbery grip underneath. And then we've got our volume, lights, bass boost, power and Bluetooth buttons, and obviously a click to skip songs, etc. I would turn this on, but I know it's going to connect to my phone and stop the video as it always does, so I'm going to leave that for the review. If you're interested in that, then leave a like, subscribe. We're very close to 1,000 now, which is quite exciting. Obviously been the goal for a long time. So if you could help us get to that, that would be absolutely awesome, and you'll see more like this in the future.